Good morning, YouTube. Okay, first I hope everybody had a good night, and thank you for tuning into my channel again. If you are watching this video, I'm going to start on my closet renovation, or I guess I shouldn't say renovation, start on my closet redecorating. Show you guys how I'm going to declutter it. I'm gonna move everything out and move it to our guest bedroom downstairs in our basement, and I'm going to start taping off the trim, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Kind of, yes baby. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Yes, Raven.
Mommy?
Okay, Raven, thank you.
Welcome.
All right. How I'm gonna tape it off, because it's certain parts of my closet that of course I don't want to get paint. I'm not for, oh, I'm about to get hit, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna tape it off with some painter's tape to prep it for painting. I'm going to declutter first, really go through my things, and probably separate the things that I don't want. I have a lot of little knickknacks, I guess, that I want to decorate with, or I got for little small Christmas gifts, things like that I think will be cute in it, because it's gonna have to be my closet slash beauty room, because you know, you gotta fake it till you make it, or you gotta work with what you got, and that's what I got. And so I want to decorate it well.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
Mommy?
Yes, baby. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, that's a big welcome. Thank you, baby. So I'm going to go through and see if there's anything I really think I can use. Raven, give me one moment, mama. We about to be in the nail shop, and you can do all the talking you want to do, okay? Thank you. So, okay, so like I was saying, I'm going to declutter, go through the little knickknacks, see if it's anything that I actually want to keep, and if I'm going to use it, I'll keep that. And then I'm going to get rid of all the stuff, donate everything I'm not going to use, and get rid of any stuff that's just junk. And me and my husband, because right now we're sharing it, although my husband said he's going to make the guest bedroom closet his permanent one, because yes, well, we're going to have some Cheez-Its when we get to the nail shop, okay?
How?
Yeah, we're going to have some little snacks when we get to the nail shop, okay?
Okay.
We're almost there. Mama be there in like 2 minutes. And what I'm going to do is he's going to take over that guest bedroom closet, like I was saying, and then I'll just have the closet that's right off our master for myself. It's a nice size. I'm not being ungrateful. It really is. It's just hard to share, as a grown woman, share a closet with a grown man. And I'm getting really excited about it, because I'm finally ready to just tackle this project. At first I was worried, like, oh my god, it's gonna be so much work. We're gonna park right here. But I'm excited to do it. Me and my husband and my daughter, we have painted several rooms in our house, so I'm familiar with painting and all of that. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into the nail shop, because we just pulled up, and get my nails done. We're gonna go to Walmart, because you'll see in my closet I have these shelving units from our previous house. They were brown, but they matched in that closet. But all of the shelving in this closet is white, like an off-white color. So I want to go pick up some like acrylic paint and maybe some brushes so I can paint those. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Okay, we are back. We are just leaving the nail shop, and I am putting a little bit of lotion on my feet, because you know, if you get a pedicure, You know, they put all that stuff on. For whatever reason, you still end up with your feet looking ashy. At least I do. Maybe it's chocolate girl problems. But anyways, now I'm going to run over to Walmart, which is actually right over there. Maybe I'll see you guys inside. All right. See ya. Bye. Hey YouTube. Okay, so I'm hitting y'all with a lot of glare action again. We are back from Walmart, of course. We've been back for almost an hour now. We ate lunch and I put Raven to sleep. So she's sleeping, and I want to come on real quick and show you guys what I ended up getting at Walmart. I was looking at a lot of stuff, but I decided, like I said, take it easy. So I will show you what I picked up and what I plan on doing with it. And I'm also going to give you, show you guys the closet, so you can see kind of what I'm talking about the flow and picking colors and things. So let me show you what I got from Walmart. Okay, this here's what I got from Walmart. Okay, so now that I show you what I got from Walmart, I got all these blinds. I love my blinds open, guys. But I'm going to take you guys up to the room and show y'all what it looks like so y'all can get an idea on, like I said, what I'm trying to do. I'm being quiet because the baby's asleep. Okay, so here's my master bedroom. Blinds all open, which is okay. Yeah, there we go. All right, here's the master bedroom, which is fine. But like I said, in August, I'm going to be redecorating it. But this is where we're going. And you may remember this scene from when I did my restarting YouTube video, because I was sitting on the floor in my bathroom at like 11 p.m. at night. That's the bathroom. And so you have to walk through. That's my laundry room. Close that. And here's my closet. And this is how it looks in real time, guys. It's not a bad space. It's just an unorganized one. It's not pretty. I'm collecting stuff. That's my side. This is my husband's side. That bottom corner right there is my side. But these, as you can tell, let me close the door. You know, I want a better solution for that. Look, I got robes and whatever. And belts on the back. Those up there are Christmas gifts and little things, like I said, I gotten that I want to keep that are cute, but I haven't unpacked them. And I'm going to go through that now. You guys will see me declutter. And these are my husband's shoes and some more of his shirts and jackets and things. Look, we got nail polish. We got some of my hats in a tote bin. We got his watches, which I also used for a camera holder last night. Those are some sunglasses his friend got him for Christmas. We got all of my collection baseball hats when I go to the gym and working out and when I'm just being at home mom. These are his shoes, of course. And then I have this space here that I don't know what to do with. It's become a little catch-all, but I got my little, you know, hot and hotter dryer for when I'm doing things at home. These brown shelves are the ones I'm going to paint. They are from my last closet. I was debating on whether I would keep them or not, or if I was going to replace them, but it's just outdated. Like I said, I'm going to paint them because, as you can see, I want them to be this color with this. And when I paint the closet, like, I'm not going to paint any of the shelves, but like this back wall here, that's going to get painted on all the shelves. All of the trim work, things like this, are not going to get painted. It's just going to be the back wall, and I'll be painting all around things like those little pieces. So, you know, I want to find a way to organize my bags. I don't have a lot of bags because I just don't. Clothes, they just there. I don't know what to do, but it's time for me to get it together. So these towers, it's two of them stacked on top of each other. Like, this is where they separate. There looks like two towers which have collected everything, including dust. This is one piece with 6 cubbies. This is a separate piece with 3 with the shoes in it, and that is another separate piece. So that's really 3 pieces that make up that one tall brown thing. But yeah, this is the closet. And so now we're going to move on to decluttering. Okay, I am back. My baby woke up out of her nap, so I'm trying to put her down. So that's this little hand right here. But yeah, so you saw me clear out my side of the closet. I'm gonna clear out my husband's side, and I'm gonna clear out all of my boots and shoes off camera because y'all got the gist of it. So I'm gonna do it off camera, and I will come back when I have this completely cleared out. So I'll see you soon. Okay, hey YouTube. We are now in my backyard on my deck, and we are about to do some painting. I got them both out here. I just wiped them down, and I'm about to mix up the paint, and you guys will probably see me in the next clip painting them. Sorry, I was eating a chip, a Dorito. Okay, so I painted one. I'm going to paint the other one, and I'm going to stop there and see if that one's dry. Since the paint is like really streaky and I'm painting over something dark, I'm thinking I'm going to have to do several coats, and I just want to know how it's going to dry. So what I'm going to do, let that sit, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint the second one. And I'm not going to record me painting the other ones because it's going to be the same thing. I don't even think I'm going to record me paint any of them. I'll come back when I do the second coat on the first one, just to show you how it's coming out. And I'll just show you the final product. Like, y'all know what's going on. This is common sense. I'm just going to paint them white, let them dry, and hopefully they look like they were always white when I get done. Okay, but I'll show you guys the final results when I am done.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Okay. Ooh, you posing? Say bye. Say bye-bye. Whatever. Hi, I am back again. Yes, there's Zaya. There she is. We are at my daughter's swim practice. It is 8:06 p.m. and we are still going strong. I still have not finished painting the cabinet, the shelf, but I will if I'm feeling up to it, I'll do the next 2 coats tonight, but I don't know if I will. I'm so tired, you guys. But I wanted to come in so you guys can see a little snippet of my big baby, as I call her, swimming. So I'm gonna give you a little snippet of her and what we're doing, and I may not talk to you guys again until tomorrow, but I might check in tonight after I get the girls down and let you know any updates anything that's changed. So check out my baby, guys.